So this is something that's going to change the Amazon game, I think, a lot in late 2018 and then going on to 2019 and further from there. And not a lot of people have really talked about it on YouTube. There is one other YouTuber that has talked about it, but I recently watched this video and I feel like that you guys should know about it as well, if you're watching this video, of course. So the new thing that's going on with Amazon is basically there's a new giveaway program that Amazon is coming out with, and I honestly think it's going to help a lot of new sellers with Amazon FBA in late 2018 and 2019. And this giveaway service, instead of you using things like Jump Send, Zon Jump, and Viral Launch, you're going to be able to launch through Amazon's website. And how it works is you're running the giveaway for your product in combination with the chance to win another product on top of that. So it's basically incentivizing people to buy your product. So you'll get I think 40% off discount on your product, and then you have to throw on a additional product to give away with that product that somebody can potentially win. So to go into a little bit more detail, basically when you're giving away your products on the Amazon FBA website using this new tool that they're offering, you're going to be able to throw on items for that additional giveaway. So it's basically like a bundle, and you're incentivizing these people to be like, hey, I'm doing this giveaway and it's 40% off, you know, per each one of my products that I sell, and I'm giving this free giveaway in addition, or this free product in addition with my initial product. So it's basically a bundle that you're giving away as a potential prize that people can get if they decide to purchase your initial product for the giveaway service. So it's going to be really cool because if you're going to be able to think of a good idea to throw onto your bundle or throw onto your product when you're doing these giveaways, then you're going to be able to, I feel like, get a lot of people to buy your product initially, and that's going to help you rank a ton. So, you know, if you're selling the Angleizer ruler, starting out, you know, this is just an example purposes, I'm not telling you guys to actually go out and do this because it's a really competitive niche right now. But if you're trying to do the Angleizer ruler and you decide, okay, I want to launch this product, I'm going to use your service, what other product can I throw on there to maybe incentivize them to do, for people to purchase my product for the giveaways? Now, keep in mind, when I say throw on another product, I don't mean bundle it initially from the supplier. I'm talking about how this service works. You can throw on different products that Amazon will sell along with that for the giveaway to incentivize people. So if you're trying to do the Angleizer ruler, maybe you throw on a pencil or a protractor, something cheap, but something that will incentivize people to purchase your product or get take part in your giveaway to get that deal. So hopefully you understand that, guys. So that potential, and combined with that 40% off with your personal product, you're actually going to be able to, you know, incentivize people to buy your products. Now, the one thing that I was worried about thinking about this is basically what type of audience is Amazon using in order to promote your product and any product you decide to throw onto that to incentivize it. So apparently, from what I've heard, there's no other fees or anything associated with it. You just pay for the product that you decide to throw onto it, and that'll be that. So the one thing that I am worried about is the audience. So if you guys don't know, a lot of times when you use Zon Jump or Viral Launch or these giant giveaway services, a lot of times it seems like people have been getting those hijackers on your listing. So if you don't know what hijackers are, they're basically people that jump on your listing and claim that they're selling your exact product, but they actually aren't. They're just selling a like a refurbished product or a product that's not yours. It's like a knockoff, but they're claiming that it's exactly your product. So you just have to make sure that you aren't using those services. I mean, you can, but you still have to use them at your own risk. But this new giveaway service is going to be helping out a lot of people, I think, and it's probably less of a chance that you're going to get hijackers on your listing. So one other thing, I think what Amazon does for this giveaway service is they actually send out emails and have their own little deals page on the Amazon website where people will go to look for, you know, deals on the daily, or and Amazon will send out these emails to people that are most likely to probably buy your product or interested in that product's niche. So let's say you're selling the Angleizer ruler, right? They're probably going to send emails out to people that have recently bought, you know, maybe some type of construction tools, or people that are commonly known to buy construction tools, or on the Amazon website, and people that are just interested in that whole entire niche, right? So we just have to, I think this is going to be something very cool that's going to be happening in 2018 and 2019. So that's definitely what I'm going to be doing for my next product. I know it's much safer because I remember when I used JumpSend, and I actually got a hijacker on my listing. So I honestly don't want that to happen again. So I really am probably just going to use this, probably more trustworthy. And one other thing that you guys are probably wondering with this as well is just like, how can I be sure that you know, I'm going to be able to give away the certain amount of units that I want to give each day? So let's say you have a product and then you have to give away around, you know, 15 units per day in order for it to be able to rank on the first page. Now from what I've heard is that the Amazon is actually going to by using their giveaway service, it's going to help you rank more as opposed to using the, you know, viral launch or all these other launch services. They said it's going to help you rank much better it's going to help you rank much better. Let's say, you know, you have to give away 12 units for that. You have to give away 12 units in order to rank on the first page with your competitors, right? And that's what Viral Launchers on Jump told you. So let's say you give out that same amount of units, but you use the Amazon giveaway service instead. Allegedly, it's supposed to help you out even more and help you rank even more because you're using their service alone. Now, I believe using that in combination with like Facebook ads, which is external traffic from the Amazon website, it's going to help a lot when you're trying to rank your product and launch it. And I think it's not going to be as expensive as using these other giveaway services as well. And if you guys don't know, I have plenty of videos on how to use Facebook ads, etc. But I'm definitely looking forward to this new giveaway software that is coming out. It looks really interesting, and well, not software, but it's just a tool that you can use on the website. But yeah, you guys just stay tuned for that. You know, once my new product arrives, that's going to be the whole new method. I'm going to be using that in combination with Facebook ads, because, you know, I like doing Facebook ads. I know a decent amount about them, and you're going to be able to rank your product pretty well using that type of external product in combination with Amazon's giveaway tools that they're going to offer soon. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like down below and subscribe and tell me what you guys want to see next. I have plenty of playlists and all these different step-by-step tools for you guys that are coming onto the channel, whether you're a beginner or you're intermediate, or you've been selling on Amazon for a while, but you know, want to know a little bit more about the hacks and stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.